What's up, you guys, and welcome back to this month's stock portfolio update. Today is March 3rd, 2023, and I'll be going over my account, what I had last time, and my contribution of $300 into the account for this month. If you don't know what I'm talking about or what's going on, I suggest you go back and check out my previous videos on this account. That way you're caught up to speed. If you'd like to get started in this small account challenge, you can go ahead and use the link down below in the description where you can sign up for a free public.com account, where you will also get a free fractional share when signing up. So go check that out if you're interested. And I always invest $300 a month, but you don't have to make a contribution that high. You can do $5, $10, $15, it doesn't matter. But as long as you get started and you start growing your wealth, that's all that matters. So let's get started. The last time I updated my account was February 22nd, 2023. And in the account, I was at $3,808.57. And I was down 11.68%, or $503.74. Looking at my account now, I am currently at $3,859.74, which is 10.48% down, and that is equivalent to $452.08. Currently in my account, I have a buying power of $24.72, and that money has all been added from the dividend paying stocks that pay me out every single month. So I can use that on top of the $300 that I've put into my account. Well, actually, I'll be putting that in and using that total amount to invest in more stocks. So now that I've shown my account from the last time, which was February 22nd, to today, which is March 3rd, I'm now going to deposit the $300 and invest that into different dividend and ETF paying stocks. So let's get started. I'm going to hit deposit. I'm going to do custom, $300, next, and confirm. And there we go. So now the $300 is deposited, and my buying power will now be at $324.72. So now that I have that money in my account, it's time to invest it, and I already know which ETFs and stocks I'm going to invest in. So the first one is going to be JEPI. So I know a lot of you have seen my investment in this ETF before, and I do like it a lot. So I'm going to do trade, buy, and today I'm only putting $100 into it. Next, and submit. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to diversify into other ETFs and stocks. So that's complete. I hit done. And now I'm going to go back. The next one that I want to do is RYLD. There we go. Trade, buy in dollars, $100. Next, and submit. Done. And the next thing is PDI. Trade, buy. We're going to do PDI in dollars, $100, next. And I didn't realize it before, but they're getting tricky. They put in this $1.50 tip here, so you can just check that off. And now I'm gonna hit submit. Okay, that's done. And the remaining money, the $23.22 here you see at the bottom, I'm actually going to put it into one of the famous ones, which is VOO. So trade, buy, and I'm going to do VOO in dollars. Let's see, can I do a custom amount? I can. It's $23. And I think that's it. I can't put the cents, so we're gonna do the full amount, the $23. Done. And there you have it. So there we go. I invested all of that money that I had in my account, and I'm hoping this will grow over time. And one last thing that I want to do is go over my current holdings. So as you can see here, I have Apple, SCHD, O, JEPI, PDI, VU, SPY, STAG, RYLD, QYLD, NUSI, and Google and Amazon. And you can see the amounts that I'm down here in the red. So the worst one it looks like I'm down is NUSI. And if we look at my current holdings, you can see how much I have invested in each of these different ETFs and stocks. So right now we're looking at almost $1,000 for RYLD. That has been paying very well. JEPI has also been paying very well with the monthly dividends, so I've been investing in that more. VU is very stable and it follows the S&P 500, so that's why I'm hoping to invest more into that to see appreciation over time. And the rest you can see that I have not invested too much money into. But anyways guys, that's all I have for you for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments section below. And if you haven't already subscribed to see more videos like this, I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And on that note, I will see you all in the next video.